master tech that others can't teach.
Okay, is your microphone not working on your PC or laptop? You plug it in, but no sound? Or maybe people keep saying, we can't hear you on Zoom, Google Meet, or Discord. Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to fix microphone problems on Windows even if it is completely not working. Here it is the solution. This video, Ubalde official, I'm going to show you how to fix completely microphone issues. At the end of this video, your microphone will work perfectly. So make sure you watch until the end because the last method fixes 90% of microphone issues and the master you don't show it this as we master take what other can't teach. So in this video we'll cover why your microphone is not detected, how to set up the correct microphone in the Windows, how to fix microphone access issues, and also how to fix driver problem without installing any software. So let's start. But before, like this video, subscribe, comment, and then start. But if your microphone is not working on the Google Meet, means that problem is not there. Microphone setting, right click on speaker icon. Right click on speaker icons, go to setting and scroll down. Here on your device if you have problem it is unclickable, and come here on your microphone array and click on it. Click on microphone array, and then you see these audio allow apps and window to use this device for audio. Click on allow. If your microphone is not working, you click on allow, but I'm not going to key my microphone and increase voice or volume. See, this microphone is working. You should also test and also should also change if there's this fault or communication. So this is how to handle or to fix microphone issues. If this video helped you, please subscribe, like, share this video with your friend, and we meet the next time and the next video. Bye bye. God bless you.